Hi, welcome to episode 1 in our new video series. If you haven't met us before, I'm Kevin.
Hi, I'm Adele.
And we wanted to bring you this video of our trip to the Blue Mountains and back. We had a great time, didn't we?
We sure did.
And our first stop, leaving Brisbane, was Springbrook National Park in the hinterland of the Gold Coast. And we had a bit of fun getting into Springbrook National Park, didn't we?
Yeah, there was a bit of a road closure, a bit of a hazard getting there, but we got there.
We took the Mudgeerbar turn off into Springbrook National Park, and the roads were blocked, so we had to turn around and add an extra almost an hour to our trip, I think. And
seemed like we were never going to get there.
no, and we took the steep climb up. There is a bit of a climb getting up into Springbrook National Park. We did that with no problems, and we had a great time there over a few days. And this video will bring to you all about Springbrook National Park and a little bit of excitement we had within the first hour, didn't we?
Yeah, it was a bit of a problem.
Anyway, watch the video to find out all about it. And we also leave Springbrook National Park and arrive at Fingal Head in New South Wales. So hope you enjoy episode 1, and keep looking forward to further episodes, and we'll bring you our trip all the way down New South Wales coastline, sticking to the beach and arriving at the Blue Mountains outside of Sydney.
That's good.
So here I am standing at the top of Purling Brook Falls, and I'm thinking to myself, what a magic location for the drone. I could bring the drone down the river and out across the falls. It would be magnificent. So I quickly raced back to the motorhome, grabbed my drone and brought it down. There was no winds whatsoever, and I thought I could fly the drone straight down here. It'll be magnificent footage. And very quickly everything came unstuck. Springbrook National Park is a protected national park located in the Gold Coast hinterland in Queensland. It's approximately 45 minutes from the beaches at Burleigh Heads, and it's about 100 kilometres south of Brisbane. We tried to stay at the campground close to Purling Brook Falls, but it was full, so we found a little park further down the road and were able to stay there the night. Early in the morning we made our way to the Best of All lookout. It was fantastic and really lived up to its name. So we're at the Best of the Lookouts here in Springbrook National Park, and it's quite amazing. The views and how far you can see for, just incredible. So what we're looking at, that tall peak there, skinny peak, that's Mount Warning. Now through there in the cloud, so in the middle of the screen, you might be able to, you can see that right at the back, you can see a couple of lumps there. Just to the left of that, you can see it goes out, there's a bay there and it goes out to a peak. Well, that's Byron Bay in the Pacific Ocean. You can see the cloud cover, it's still there. Here you can see a stack just coming into picture now. There's obviously a chimney stack, smoke coming out, that's Mohr. Behind that, in the distance, you can see some bit of a mountain rise. The water's just to the left of that, that's Kingscliff. Looking to the sun now. This peak that's coming out, the Queensland-New South Wales border there, just to the right of it and in the distance, way off in the distance, that's the Coolangatta Tweed. So I just realised we must be in New South Wales here. There's all this magnificent valley below us. As I mentioned, you can see the cloud cover. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. We've got this cloud cover down here. Beautiful views into the valley. Once we'd finished at the top of Springbrook National Park, it was a matter of making our way down the steep range to get ourselves to the amazing natural bridge. Got new brakes put in. We're here at stunning natural bridge, but we've also got something else to see. You can see the python snake just here. In the past, Natural Bridge was open to swimming, but it's been closed in recent times due to some injuries and a death, and also to protect the glowworms within the caves. Springbrook National Park, natural bridge. This is stunning. Such a beautiful location. So much to see. Not just the natural bridge itself. We were just watching a python slithering by, and he was having a great old time. But the trees, the moss, the bird, the wild birds, the wildlife, everything here, just amazing. Join us next episode when we hide from a week's rain from friends who offer us their driveway at Cabarita Beach. We arrive just in time to see the Pottsville River opening out to the ocean. Hastings Point turns wild, and we drive through flooded waters to get out of the region, and we find our way to Mullumbimby and on our way to Ballina.